Well, we're back once again, and today we're playing a game that was recommended to us in the comments
Timberwolf Triple Power.
by, I'm definitely going to butcher this, D. Gwenther?
All right, well, let's play it.
Yeah, let's see what happens here. Is this as loud as it gets? There we go. There's our noise.
All right. Okay, here we go. 100 in the tank. Let's start with $1.60.
Yeah, okay.
Let's do five back and forth. See what happens.
Back and forth and back and forth. So yesterday was absolutely terrible.
I mean, it wasn't terrible. We played.
We did get a good 30 minutes of entertainment out of it.
It was fun.
So now Timberwolf. I don't have much experience in this game, but I do believe that we're looking for 3 of the owls in the first 3 rows, which creates a trigger.
Or it could trigger randomly.
Correct. Or we're looking for a bunch of wolves.
The perceived progression
There
is
you
not
go.
that high.
But it is only perceived.
Oh, we got
Oh, look at that.
it. Lowered the bet.
That's okay. We're still in it.
Yeah. Now you got to get a re-trigger. The only way to collect enough of the golds is with a re-trigger.
So what is this gold feature we're looking at here?
It's just like Buffalo Gold.
Okay, so now,
Yep.
yep.
But you got to get 3 owls for a re-trigger. Get you 24 games.
Times
Okay,
3.
so now that's a respin unless we got to pay.
So we're looking for, honestly, a bunch of re-triggers here.
Whoa, that's a very, very difficult thing to get.
2 more to change Mr. Sandy Claus.
Not a good spin.
No.
Halfway
Let's
through
see
the
it.
bonus.
Don't fail us, Mr. D. You got it.
How we doing, guys?
Good, how about yourself?
Good day.
One more?
Okay, now
Oh,
that'll stay.
Sandy's.
That'll stay. Now
Oh.
we want a 5. There you go.
But we want that to connect.
Nothing. Really? That's what you want.
Wolves, wolves. $3.
But you want that times 15.
Yeah.
Not great.
Not the most exciting there.
Very, very, very volatile game.
It's either going to give you a lot or give you nothing.
We got nothing.
The next one will be different. I promise. Just stick around.
Lucky Mom really likes this game.
I don't think I've sat at this game once. And we got, what was it, Timberwolf Bucks? And
I don't
it didn't
remember.
pay too hot. Double?
It's one of those games that doesn't pay very consistent. It's either an all or nothing game.
So you got to catch it on the cycle. $1.60. Double pop? Can we get it? Oh,
we can make
nope.
it grow.
They grow a little bit. Must be grow. Oh,
Triple.
Oh, that was it.
Call it triple power, but you don't get the triple power. More of a
The triple T's.
yes.
So moons are wild?
Yes.
Okay. And it's ways based, I'm assuming.
Yes. I believe it is. And like I said before, I call this a Santa Claus game.
I mean, he does look exactly like Santa Claus.
I think it is Santa Claus. I thought it blew.
Mr. Santa Claus, for Christmas, I would like a bonus, please. Double? No double.
Come on.
We got it.
I don't know about getting it.
You don't think so?
This game to me is like pots.
Ah. Well, we all know how you feel about pots.
I'm not a fan. Not a fan.
Oh, do it.
Oh.
It was right there, too. Did you see it?
Got it.
Oh! Back into the Timberwolf Gold.
All right, let's see if we can do something this time.
Let's be a little better than the last one.
560?
Is that what it was?
I think so.
It'd be cool if the owls were wild.
They're not.
Come on, do it.
Where's the gold pins?
Big bucks, no Emmys. We're Golden Wolf?
Such a hard game.
Until it's not.
Prove me wrong. Please.
Oh.
One more.
Oh.
I wish it would trigger on 2, like Buffalo Gold does.
But yeah, 2 coins is a retrig.
Like, how do you win?
You line up a bunch of wolves with a bonus or a multiplier. At least that's what it looks like to me. Same way you do in Buffalo. Times 3. Too bad there's not a wolf in the front row.
That'll stay.
Wolf, 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 wolf. What is that, $3?
Yeah, nothing great. I want to be a believer. I do. Not me.
I'd like to be a believer too.
One more.
Oh,
Jeez.
cheese and rice.
Cheese and rice.
Ooh, cheese and rice. Sounds really good right now.
I don't know about that.
A bean and cheese burrito, maybe. Double?
Oh, I hate it. It makes that loud popping sound. And then you don't get it.
You know, I don't like the music in the non-smoking room.
Yeah, it's so loud in here.
It's really aggressively loud. Oh. 240, we're getting crazy here.
Oh, we gotta win.
That's true. Pop.
Good.
Come on, big bucks, no Emmys.
2 more. Yeah, I don't know about this game. Come on, go off.
Oh,
It's so loud, but it doesn't go off.
it's kind of like a, what's that one? Railroad Riches? Makes a
Yeah.
lot of noise, but doesn't necessarily go. Oops. Pop?
Pop and give us something like worth
Yeah.
watching.
You know, I'm not too sure how I feel about this game. Do you want to take this last 40 and maybe go throw it in Panda, or you want to play it down?
I want to kill it.
Okay. And by killing it, you mean getting a big old bonus, right?
Yes. Come on. Shortest video in watch history.
It's 12 minutes ain't bad. Still more room to go.
Well, we got 2 bonuses and they pay like freaking.
We got what, 5 and 8? Seems a little more active than the other night, though. I will say that.
You get a bonus. I want to like at least a 20x bonus.
Right.
That's like the bare minimum.
Ooh.
Now they're all the way full.
Our progressives have grown. They might be growers, but will they be showers?
Nope.
Man, I'd love to see the wolves walk across the screen.
There's no luck as a ride. Is there?
I don't know. I would just like to see them like all the way across.
Come on. Make me like this game.
Make me love this game. That would be way cooler than liking.
Maybe you have to take a bigger stab. I don't know.
You think?
I don't know. You know, you put $100 in a game, you do 80-cent bets. That's 100 bets.
And some change.
Well, we did get 2 bonuses. They were just terrible.
Come on, do it to us. Not to there. Where is it in the second row? I
Come
wish
on.
it wasn't 3 in the first row. I wish it was like 3 all the way across.
Yeah.
Because it gives you a little bit more to like hope for.
Nope. If you don't have one in the second, that's probably why I don't like this game. Because if you get an owl in
It
the
doesn't
front
give you
one-
the tease.
Yes. You get one in the front, you get 3 owls, and if they're not in the first 3 rows, you're dead.
Yeah, like if you don't see an owl in the first row, you're kind of like, oh well.
Yeah, dead.
Where's it in the first row?
Got it.
Oh, there we go. Let's make this look like more than $5.
I think this is the worst of all the bonuses.
Is it?
I think so.
Is there camera adjustment with Rising?
Yeah, it's
A
right.
little bit, huh?
Now you can't see the values.
There we go.
Look, you got 3, but it doesn't re-trigger.
Right. Or even 2 would be like a re-trigger.
Yeah.
Times 3. Go, 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 go! Oh!
Yeah,
It was
right there.
close. It was so close.
Okay, so that's not that great.
We would have got that wolf
Yeah,
in the last
3 and a
row.
5 with a bunch of wolves. Make me a believer. I don't think it's gonna make me a believer. That's for sure.
Times 3. Bears all the way across. That should pay okay.
I don't think so.
Ow, ow, ow.
The only thing that makes this game fun is the 3 and the 5. And connecting something all the way across.
Deers.
Now that'd be great if we had 3 and a 5.
Sandies. Tell you what you said was the worst bonus just so happened to be our best.
I think we should cut our losses.
I can get behind that. What do we got? 45?
Let's spin it down to 40 and call it.
All right.
I mean, let's see what happens. I'm not a believer. This is a rough game.
It does seem very volatile.
That's a made-up word.
Is it?
I think so.
You're the one who taught me that word.
I didn't teach it to you.
Is that enough for a spin?
Nope.
Just shy of it.
I'm sure there's gonna be some haters, but I don't like this game.
I think we continue it down the journey. Well,
You talk. I don't like the game.
we gave it a nice little go. We put 100 in and we cashed out at, I believe, 40, 80 something. And we're gonna
40-76.
40-76. So we're gonna continue on with our endeavors, cut our losses where we're at, and continue to live to fight another day.
Whoever likes this game and suggested it, post like some pictures of some winnings. Like they like it for a reason.
No, they do. They've definitely had some big wins on this, but we haven't. And
Never. Well, my wife has. I haven't.
I've never seen. I've only played this game
Post
twice.
some pictures, comment, tell us what you won, what were you betting, why do you like this game?
Yeah, what is it about this game that makes you fall in love with it? Because as of now, we're not too sure.
I'm not a believer.
I'm a firm believer in something, but not Timberwolf.
Nope.
So we'll see you tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you want to see, and we'll give it a shot. And thanks for watching.
For sure.